In this video, I'll create the eyelashes for my character bust. The default shader doesn't have an opacity channel, so we'll have to switch to one that supports transparency. From the display menu, let's change our PBR shader to PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Test. Now, we need to add the opacity channel in our texture settings menu. Click Add and select Opacity. Now let's create a new group and name it Eyelashes. The eyelashes will require two fill layers, one to set the surface to opaque, and one above it to contain the strokes and handle the transparency. Start by creating a new fill layer with only color and opacity channels active. The color is set to black and the opacity is set to white. Before we create the next layer, let's create a black mask on the group to isolate the eyelash models. Once again, we'll use the poly selector in object mode to grab them. Now I'll make a new fill layer using only color and opacity channels and set the color to black and the opacity to black. At this point the eyelashes should be transparent, but if I add a paint modifier to this layer, I can add brush strokes to the planes. I'll use my custom eyelash brush to create the upper and lower eyelashes. This brush was created using the default Grass Alpha that comes with Photoshop. The size and position jitter can be adjusted from the brush menu to create randomness. Since my eyelash UVs are mirrored, I can paint lashes on both sides of the face to create variation in growth direction.